everyone, welcome to Gracester time. Today we are going to do a DIY flower gift box. So for this project, I am going to reuse my old lotion box. And then I have a sparkling wine. I also have a small package of chocolate. I am also going to use Oasis, a plastic, masking tape, scissor, hot glue, one colored paper. So guys, I am going to start with our small box. Going to wrap this one. So now guys, our next step is we are going to prepare our Oasis, and we have to pre-cut our Oasis so it is easy to work with later. Then after we cut our Oasis, we are going to put that one in water. So guys, our next step is to put the plastic inside the box. So now guys, we are going to proceed on our next step, and we are going to assemble our chocolate and our sparkling wine. We just need to put the chocolate inside and our sparkling wine. And then we are also going to do or proceed on the next step. Then I will what is the size? I can use this one as a guide because it doesn't need to be long. Okay guys, now that our flowers is already cut, so we are going to assemble it inside, but we need to be careful and we need to remove all the petals that it's not looking good, about two or three pieces. Our gift started to fall into place. guys.